Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus Exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is remorse. It is pronounced re-morse and is spelt R-E-M-O-R-S-E. Before we get into today's word, if you're taking your 11 Plus exam this year, we're here to help. Visit the Exam Coach website and you can find loads of great resources from practice papers to 11 Plus exam planning tips. Remember to take a look at the upcoming courses and workshop schedule. At weekends and over the school holidays, we help children master their 11 Plus exam skills in order to gain entry to their first choice grammar or independent school. Now, back to today's word. Remorse is a noun that means deep regret or guilt for wrong committed. It is the feeling of being sorry for something you have done or wishing you hadn't done it. For example, you could say, the boy felt remorse for breaking his friend's toy. Or, the thief experienced remorse and returned the stolen items. The word remorse comes from the Latin word remordere, which means to bite again, as if guilt is gnawing at your conscience. In the story of Pinocchio, Pinocchio feels immense remorse after lying to Geppetto and running away. He regrets his actions and desperately wants to return home to his father. Synonyms for remorse include regret, guilt, contrition, and repentance. Antonyms for remorse include indifference, remorselessness, and apathy. Impress your friends and family by using your new word today, remorse. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.